welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Nikkie Tutorials and Beauty Bay palette. I'm going to be doing a look using the dark side on one eye and then the lighter side on the other. So I'm just going to get started. I'm going to try and do a rainbow cut crease. So starting with this yellow shade Blah, I'm just going to put it onto the inner corner of my eye. And I'm just blending it up towards my eyebrow. In the middle, I'm just going to go in with this. I'm just going to go with this orange shade, Redemption. And I'm just blending it in with the yellow as well. For that shade there was like quite a wee bit fallout. And then for the outer corner I'm going to go with this pink Blend and Snap. And I'm just bringing it out into like a little wing. And then just using a clean brush, I'm just going to kind of blend it out a wee bit. To cut my crease, I'm just going to go in with this makeup remover and a cotton bud. I'm going to go back in with my eye base, which is the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer, and just carve out I'm going to do like a little line of glitter, so I'm gonna, or shimmer anyway, I'm gonna go with this shimmery shade here, Pride. So just place that like right against the cut crease. I think this shade comes across a lot more pink on the eye than in the pan. Using another clean cotton bud, I'm just gonna cut this so it's a little bit thinner. To set the eyeshadow basic, I'm gonna go in with this kind of like nude shade called Basic Trut, I think, and just stamp it down like that. This shade is just a tiny bit darker than my actual skin tone, so it kind of sits quite well like on the base of my eye. So I've added a little bit of eyeliner using the roller liner from Benefit. I'm gonna go in to my under eye with this red shade in the middle, Decay, and I'm just gonna blend it out with Blend and Snap. I'm just bringing it out to the liner. And then for my inner corner, I'm going to go in with this silver shimmer called Ivy. My finger for this one. Just put that in like that. So I've added lashes, so I'm just using the TL Jamie 3s. I think the shades on the light side are really nice, like really pastel-y and quite like toned down. The shimmer is really nice. It's like that soft way, so it goes on really nicely, especially like when you use your fingers. There is a wee bit of fallout, but that's kind of expected when it's like a pressed pigment palette and not like a normal eyeshadow. I'm gonna go with this shade here, Slasher. And just pat it on to the outer corner. We're going to just do the same to the inner corner and just bring it through. I'll bring it over near the center. So I'm trying to do that as close to the crease as possible, and then just bring it onto the lid. To try and blend this out, I'm going to go in with this light brown shade, Mila. Start quite close, like halfway between my bare skin and colour, and just try and smoke it out. Just to keep it kind of dark, I just went back in with the shade Slasher. Did that to the inner corner as well. I'm just gonna go in with my eyeshadow base and just pop that right in the middle. And then just kind of tap it to blend it in a wee bit. And using my fingers, I'm going to go in with a shimmer here called All In. And then just pop that in the middle. Oh wow. So that's like a kind of gold and silver, like iridescent colour, is it? Yeah. And then I'm just gonna go in with that purple again and just kind of soften the line. Between the shimmer. So for under my eyes, I'm gonna go in with Slasher again, and I'm just gonna blend it out with the shade Mila again. I added just a really thin line eyeliner, and to darken the end of it and kind of smudge it out, I'm going in with this loose shade Amsterdam, yeah, Amsterdam, and just putting that in there, and then going back in with Slasher. And blending it in. And then for my inner corner, I'm going to go in with this shimmer up here, Underground. And again, I'm just going to use my fingers for it. So I put the same TL Jamie 3 lashes on this eye as well. But yeah, that's two different looks, using the dark and the light side of the Nikkie Tutorials palette. I really like all the shades. I tried to use as many as I could for like one look. I think I definitely prefer the shades on the darker side, like this eye. More pastely coloured shades seem to have a little bit more fallout, but it wasn't bad. And none of it really fell out onto my foundation which had already been done or that. Like I've not had to go over any of my makeup that was done before I started filming. So like normally with kind of more pigmented shades you're better off doing your eye makeup first, but I definitely don't think it would matter with this palette. But yeah, I really like it. I think it's really nice. Thank you for watching my video. I'd really like it if you could like and subscribe, and all my social medias are linked below. If you could give any of them a follow, I'd really appreciate that as well. But thank you for watching. Bye.